All right, we are here at the Blue Stage with David and Terry and Danny, and they are getting ready to open up today.
Terry's at Snowbird.
Just had the ribbon cutting. Yes, right. So Terry is visiting from Snowbird.
Yes. Well, he's got his uniform on.
We are now creating a real district, a downtown going out district.
Thank you.
And I've heard that. So I have a question for you. I've heard this is the largest venue west of Asheville. Is that true? Like in North Carolina?
Correct.
I think it's Western North Carolina.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it is.
Absolutely. Yeah.
That is what we would call a destination business.
That's it.
That's the plan. I mean, we got a big space for a lot of people inside and outside. So yeah, most definitely.
Want
That's
people
great.
to come visit the town and
Yeah, have a big time.
Exactly. I was talking to Tommy Hoppy Trout, and I'm like, this is not going to be a bad thing for Hoppy Trout. Anyone wants to step over, get some beer over there, it's going to be amazing
totally.
for you.
Yeah,
all
we
of you
want
guys.
everybody to visit Snowbird, visit Hoppy Trout, visit the Blue Stage. I mean, just have a big time when they're in town.
Yeah,
You know?
and the Sage and Tabatard.
yeah.
that's it.
We got all kinds of stuff going on. So this is a completely different town than the one I moved into in 2019. I got to
Me
say,
too. I opened up 2019.
That's a good thing.
I think this might be one of the bigger business openings since I moved here in 2019, and the anticipation is off the charts.
Well, thank you. Yeah, we've been working on it for over 18 months, so we're excited.
Oh, well, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful. You want to give us a little tour? Show us a little
Sure.
bit. Show
Well,
us a
we
little.
can walk into the art gallery first.
Let's go to the art gallery. Well, hold on. Before we go to the art gallery,
Okay.
this is Danny's idea. Danny, I want
This is
to
great.
talk about what that does for people.
Well, we're going to save resources by having a QR code for our beverage list.
The reflection's killing it.
Yeah, okay, yeah, so I'm killing the reflection on this thing. But so just scan the QR code and look on your phone, and it'll give you the most updated list, because we're going to have tons and tons of different types of beverages, craft, soft drinks, and ciders, beers, wines.
They have a great beverage selection, and all you got to do is scan their QR code, and they keep all the price list, and the whole drinks chart is updated all the time
Every week we'll have a new update.
on their virtual storefront. So they're using their virtual storefront to save paper
Indeed.
and just make.
It's also this is what the people want today. They
Yeah.
want everything on their phone. So I just figured, hey, use your phone. I hope you don't
Already
mind.
got people signing in.
This is like a fantastic use of a virtual storefront.
We're the hardest working customer in town. That was I got the QR code there. You can actually scan the QR code, I guess, right where you are now, and you can get a look. So.
Yeah, you can scan right off the screen, and you can take a look at their menu right now, or just go to virtual storefronts, the Blue Stage, or just Google the Blue Stage, and you'll find it. It's that easy.
Awesome.
All right, thanks for using that. All right, let's take the tour.
Okay, great.
All right, I'm gonna switch to follow mode. So this is the art gallery.
Yeah, Joe, let's start up front and kind of give them the vision when you walk in the door.
You're welcome to introduce yourself when the camera hits you.
Okay, hi, I'm Sue Howell. I'm David's wife.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you,
and
Sue.
I'm also one of the artists.
Oh, okay, cool.
Thank you.
Do you live here in Andrews, or?
We've leased a place right in walking distance of the Blue Stage.
Oh, well, that's super
So
convenient.
We're very, very happy with that.
Well, congratulations on your opening, Sue.
Thank you.
All right, and do you want? Is she going to be our tourist for the tour for the?
No, he should do the tour.
No, well, I mean,
The
as far as-
touring person?
You want to be the tour guide for the artwork?
For the artwork, we were thinking. This used to be a showroom, so just like historically, this was a car showroom.
Chevy car dealership.
Yeah, so they converted the car dealership into this front room that's all like an awesome gallery space.
Built in
That's,
1940.
and it has these original windows that are kind of like curved, which are
Absolutely,
awesome.
where they used to feature the new cars. for
Yep,
Sure.
yep. So it's an awesome space for a gallery. So let's just walk through and see what we got.
We're in the process of hanging and tweaking some of the art and getting the
Okay, thank you
system.
again, Terry.
The system, we're going to anchor things, and then we have the labels still to put up.
Nice.
So,
And
some
how
of-
many artists are you showing here?
Probably around 10.
Okay. Are they all local, or are they all far and wide?
I think most are from North Carolina,
Okay.
different
Nice.
parts of North Carolina.
Great.
So we have some photography, we have abstract art,
Is that watercolor?
that's acrylic,
Yeah.
this is acrylic. And,
Nice.
the manager, he has some pieces sprinkled throughout. This is one of Danny's pieces.
Danny's, yeah. He's also. Oh, yeah. That's a photograph that's been processed.
Right.
Yeah.
And then
Nice.
my mother is an artist, Sue Howell.
All
And
right.
these are her windows. She paints acrylic right on the glass.
Oh wow!
And she
For
just-
people without a view, you just put that right up on the wall.
Right, so she did this. This is very, very new
Oh, that's nice.
with the wisteria.
Cool. That's kind of like what they call a trompe-l'oeil effect, where it looks like.
But this
Very
is the
real.
river walk, and I'm going to try to do a lot more pastels from the area because I think Andrews is such a beautiful location in the valley. So I have a lot of photographs that I'm going to continue to produce more art.
Sweet. Well, we're not going to spoil it for all the viewers. We're not going to go to all of the art. They're going to have to come. You're going to have to come down here and see all of it yourself. I want to.
Okay.
So let's.
This stream, this riverbed stream has fish throughout.
There's Steven from. What's up, man? It's Steven from Sage. And David, do you want to give us the rest of the tour?
Yes.
Sure.
But we want to see the rest of the stage and everything as well. So this is all.
This is like a stream.
This is a
leading you
stream
back.
that leads you into the venue. That is awesome. Thank you very much for the tour.
Enjoyed it.
All right, now we're off into the man space, man cave.
So this wonderful building has the great arch ceiling and
Yeah, it's
the metal trusses that were original when they built the building in 1940. So the character and the mystique is all saved in this wonderful space with the glass block windows and
those are amazing illumination coming out of those windows. It's like very even lighting that comes across.
so we've had great luck with our sound and our light system. The sound engineer has raved about how the sound quality is
go.
going to be exceptional in the space as a result of having all the wood in the space. So
Oh, nice, in the
Yeah.
ceiling. Yeah,
Yeah.
because the ceiling seems to be completely made out of wood.
correct, yeah. So he said the sound is just going to roll over the top of the wood ceiling. So it's really going to be a clear sound for the
Wow,
audience.
that is awesome.
Thanks. And then our stage can accommodate a 10-piece band. So it's
Wow.
a 18 by 24 stage. So yeah, we can have a pretty big show.
Wow, it's a huge stage. So it's really actually hard to see how big it is from just back there.
So we have a 5-piece band performing this evening, Topper, and then they're going to put on Topper and the Vibe. They're going to put on a big show starting at 7 p.m. So that's exciting.
That's great.
We have this wonderful
We need to go-
artwork on the wall.
We need to go look at this.
Sure, Sunny Malarkey from Greenville, South Carolina. She painted all our sides, but this guitar side is pretty amazing.
It's basically a mural, it
There's
seems.
a mural on wooden blocks. And,
So it's like wooden blocks are stuck into the wall
correct,
and then painted on top of them.
correct.
So it's like kind of like using them as a canvas and a tile.
Wooden blocks on the canvas.
You got wow, that is so awesome. That's also good for the sound, probably too, right? I gotta like do a slow roll with the camera all the way up this thing because it's so long, and it goes all the way up to this. It's a great crop too. It's like just a really lovely piece. It's a great. That's doing an installation is a definitely a good
That's pretty amazing.
a good choice. So that's beautiful. And then the view from up here is pretty awesome too. So this room is how many people can fit in this room?
299 people
That's
in this space, and then for the beer garden outside, there'll be more, and then of course in the front space, there'll be more. So.
and you're going to be open 4 days a week to start.
Correct. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And our plan is to have live music each day.
On Sunday too.
Sunday afternoon, 4:30. Be here. Mountain Gypsy Band will be here.
Sunday afternoon at 4:30. All right. So something a little more mellow maybe on Sunday.
Yeah, trying to do that. And then tonight, Dragon Ass Barbecue will be here with the food truck. And tomorrow night, the Ark out of Murphy will be here.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, so 2 food trucks this week.
And both very good choices. And so what kind of music can people expect when they come here?
Wide variety of music. I mean, rock, country, bluegrass, blues, jazz. So yeah, we're gonna.
And you'll be doing regular postings about that on Facebook, presumably.
Facebook, and our website should go live in the next week. So.
All right. And you always have a
that'll be
virtual storefront. It's going to be up on there. Virtual storefront actually does have a feed feature, which is hidden at the moment, but it does exist. So
good.
yeah, you can actually publish virtual storefronts. There could be some news about that happening very soon because Andrews has its own dedicated feed.
Oh wow. How
Yeah.
cool is
Anyway,
that?
it is very cool. So it's great that you're plugged in. It's really nice that you got Danny as a manager.
Yeah.
You got like a very competent guy.
Yeah. Danny's amazing.
Yeah. So that's wonderful. All right. Well, thanks for the tour.
Thank you very much.
We're looking forward to this
See everybody at the blue stage.
at the Blue Stage.